How to see accepted payment methods for McDonald's mobile orders. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. There are different payment methods accepted for McDonald's mobile order according to your country. And 4 ways to pay, as you can get fees fast with mobile order and pay in the apps. Use your preferred debit or credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal or Venmo. These are the available options in my region. And these options can vary. If PayPal does not work on your country, that won't be available. According to that, if anything else is available, that may be available here as well. And this is the accepted payment methods for McDonald's mobile orders. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.